And how was your first experience in Jamaica?
It's like Osaka, you know. People is funny, food is nice, pum pum is tight.
I think we can end the interview right now.
While I went to Osaka, I went to go have some jerk chicken at a restaurant. And I met this Japanese guy who spoke really good English, but he spoke it with a Jamaican accent. I thought it was super interesting. The food was amazing. Let's go check him out.
All right, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name IQ,
Where are you from?
Osaka Banang Road,
And where's your second home? Where's your second home?
Jamaica Kingston.
Okay.
Early 2004 or 5, first time in Jamaica. My English teacher is a Jamaican.
Oh, okay. Where in Jamaica was he from?
Montego Bay.
And how was your first
Montego Bay.
experience in Jamaica?
Welcome back to my YouTube channels. My name is Tim Tesirgashon. Kindly for watching me for the first time. Remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. For my returning viewers, thank you so much for your love and your support you are showing me in this channel. So kindly guys, I want us in today's video is about Jamaica and Japanese Jamaica. We all know that Jamaica has been an influential country across all over the world, and most of people know Jamaica as the capital of the Caribbean. So guys, in today's video is I want us to watch this video of the Japanese speaking a Patois language, and he has been impressed with how really Jamaica culture really working, because he's saying that he even feel like he is now in Osaka, but that guy has spent a Jamaica Kingston for so long. So kindly guys, let's watch this video until the end and then we will react it later.
It's like Osaka, you know. People is funny,
Yeah.
and food is nice.
Okay.
And pum pum is tight. You don't know.
I think we can end the interview right now.
Sounds good. Show us.
Your English is really good.
No, sir. My English is dirty. It's not the English, you know, Patois, you know.
Hold on, let me see.
Go check out your boy, his jerk chicken, and practice some English with him. He's a really cool guy.
Japan and Jamaica might be twin flames, because the way how Japanese people love Jamaican culture, the way how those Japanese people love Jamaican culture should be studied. I was on Japanese TikTok, but I felt like I was on Jamaican TikTok. They were doing all of the latest Jamaican dance moves, and even down to the way how they were talking. They were saying blood clot and wagwan. I mean, whatever happened to konnichiwa? Whatever happened to that? How did blood clot and wagwan end up all the way in Japan? And then it was this one Japanese guy. He was speaking Japanese, but in a Jamaican accent. And the same guy in the video was saying that he loved Jamaican pum pum. And I was wondering, like, does he know what he's saying? I mean, I'm pretty sure he knows what pum pum means, but how did pum pum end up all the way in Japan? You know what, though? I love it. Blood clot konnichiwa. Big up on the blood clot konnichiwa self. Hold up, big up on the konnichiwa.
Bro, like, how do you? I don't see, like, look, this one, look, the dreads look real. I mean, I guess they are real. Like, bro, they think they're Jamaican. They actually think they're Jamaican.
Well, fashion, you know, this is a Herring Street, you know, so Osaka only. We have to forward back to Osaka. I can't forward just a one time, man. That don't make no sense. Right, go on to the last one. Never there, so I go on. Do my little vlog thing.
Kickboard.
Yeah, man, kickboard for days. Blood clot. Osaka this today, you brother. So we have forward out a little like here thing, you know, but to come see a different opportunity out here, so to make the money work. Blaze up, respect, Papa.
I love Japan, but I love Jamaica more than Japan because Jamaica fit me more. You know, Jamaican people more have vibes, attitude, and love to talk to people, you know. More positive vibes to me, can fit me more. Yeah, that's why I feel comfortable when me in Jamaica. Dancehall culture and reggae culture, it's come from Jamaica. I tired to watch the phone to find which one is new dance, whatever, whatever, what's the trending, whatever, whatever. So I don't type of the run dancing from the phone. So, oh my God, I have to come back Jamaica quick as possible, you know.
Welcome back. Hope you have watched a very full video of Japanese speaking, impressed with how really the culture of Jamaica is good. The first thing, that guy has spent a lot of years in Jamaica, and he's feeling well, as if he's now in Osaka. And you have seen how really people he are speaking a Patois language, Wagwan, and how really impressed with the culture of Jamaica, because he said that one of the things that made him to love Jamaica is about their culture. And he even mentioned the delicious food that is being eaten in Jamaica. Jamaica have a very good food, and that food has been so delicious for so many visitors who now wanted to go to Jamaica. They just want to eat that food, and most of people now embrace with those culture. And some of other cultures that maybe made some people to love Jamaica is about the reggae music. No, no, anybody knows, no age and everybody knows Jamaican reggae music, because when you are young, when here even now in Africa, people really love the how the reggae music are being impressing among the youths, because when you go to even in a club across all over the world, the reggae music is playing on those club, and it has attracted a lot of people loving each Jamaica. And because most of the legends of the reggae music are from Jamaica, the Bob Marley, the Vibes Cartel. So each and everybody now wants to visit Jamaica. Each and everybody wants to go and see the Jamaica because of those legends of the reggae music. And now even people now, they have now come out, and they don't know the capitals. They now mentioning Jamaica to be the capital of Caribbean, because Caribbean has so many countries, but only Jamaican is known. Because if you just mention the Caribbean, Jamaica, people will now start thinking about Jamaica. And Jamaica being the small it is, people really loving to go there, because now have seen those attraction center. Jamaica is one of the biggest attraction center. Tourists mostly visit there. If vacations, mostly people mostly going there for vacation, and they really love how the Jamaica is speaking and their accent. So many countries now copying the accents of Jamaicans. We have seen now the Chinese copied the accent of Jamaicans. Now it happened to now the Japanese is now copying the accents of Jamaicans. We have seen also the Irish people also copying the accent of Jamaicans, because being the influential country across all over the world, people really love Jamaica from their heart. And that's why now even the prominent leader just wanted to go to Jamaica. That's why I love the Jamaicans so much, and that's the love that really people have. And that guy, if you avoid that, he has explained where the environment, and he said that he's in Jamaica. He's just spend a little money, because in Jamaica life is so cheap. You cannot compare life in Jamaica and other countries. Life in Jamaica is so cheap, and that's why you find that somebody can adapt very fast life in Jamaica compared to other countries. And that's why now most of now these West people, European people, they just want to come to Jamaica for the vacation. Most of them, they have lived there, because Jamaica is a mixture of other countries. Even we have seen Chinese being dominating in Jamaica so much, and when they just continue that, they might might take over the Jamaica, and that's the love that Jamaica really love. And even from my bottom of my heart, I really am the part of Jamaicans, because Jamaica is just an Africa. They were just taken here from the West Africa through slavery to those Caribbean. And you find that Jamaica has just a little bit population, just a little bit low. They have just approximately of around 2.8 million population. That's just a small island, but most loved island. And you know what? If you do research, or it's just not research, it's just exactly a flag of Jamaica is the only Jamaican flag that has no red color and white color across all over the world. But so other countries, they had those colors, and that's why being Jamaica being a unique country across all over the world, no other unique country uniqueness that Jamaica have. And that's why now people are flocking in, and they welcome each and everybody. Arabs are flocking in, Indians are flocking in, now Japanese, Jamaican, Chinese are now flocking in. That's the love that we really love for Jamaica. So kindly guys, as I finish, one heart, I really love Jamaicans. Wagwan, my people. Greetings here from Africa, Kenya. I love you so much, my Jamaicans people. And I'm just part of you. If you just one day, I'm planning to visit. So let's interact on comment section about how we really view the Jamaicans. For people who are watching me for the first time, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel, like, share, and also comment to share to your friends. Let's make this video viral. Bye for now. See you next.